Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility. Use your university email, current enrollment letter, or student ID. Once done, sign into your Apple ID and verify your billing address matches the school records. Next, choose the iPad model and storage you need. This matters because student discounts often change by model. Make sure to have your payment card ready and any digital student verification service credentials. This first step gets you into the Apple Education Store, so you can begin the actual purchase process right away. You now verify through Apple Education. Go to the Education Store and sign in with your university email or use a verification partner like UniDays. Once prompted, upload a clear enrollment letter, a photo of your student ID, or an official transcript. This confirms eligibility and unlocks the discount. After verification, select the student price and add necessary accessories, plus Apple Care Plus if you want coverage. Make sure to review the cart totals, so you know the exact savings and final payment before moving to checkout. You finish by confirming shipping or in-store pickup, then complete payment with the verified Apple ID. After purchase, save the confirmation email and screenshot the verification screen as proof. This helps with returns or price adjustments. If the discount fails, first re-verify your student status, ensure you use the institution email, and clear browser cache or try another device. If problems persist, contact Apple support and provide your verification documents. They can manually approve or explain next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.